Hello, I'm Tina Willis. I'm a personal injury and accident lawyer from Orlando, Central Florida. So I'm here to tell you the 5 things I think you should do if AI is disrupting your industry. And if you stick around at the end, I have 3 bonus, a little bit more advanced points. The first thing is I'm a big believer in just getting started. So if you haven't already, which was me a few months ago, go over and just do it. Open up accounts at all of the major AI platforms, which for me, I see as ChatGPT plus, Claude.ai, Bard, and then also Midjourney, and I really like DALL-E 3 as well. And then I would also go over and just try out video AI platforms. Synthesia is one. HeyGen is another, but there are many others. And just so you know, I've learned there are thousands of AI applications. So don't even bother trying to learn them all or find the best. And then what I did initially, which you may have already done, you probably have already done, is just type in a question at ChatGPT and then get an answer back and kind of be scratching your head, what is so great about this? And then move on for months and not touch it again. The thing about these platforms is the more time you invest in them, you will get proportionally more back in return. If you have a particularly perplexing problem, anything in your life, think of a way to ask ChatGPT or Claude.ai and get into a back and forth. Really press for more information. And then also, same thing, go over and actually try Midjourney, and if you have ChatGPT plus, DALL-E, and then also, again, Synthesia and HeyGen. Just go over, sign up, and play around with them a little bit. Now, if you're anything like me, you're already more advanced than 95% of your friends. Of course, I may have different friends. But, okay, so number 2. Quickly, you're gonna head over to TikTok and just type in how to use ChatGPT, how to use Midjourney, how to do video AI, things like that. Get into their algorithm and watch a series of videos, spend some time. I spent several hours probably total over a few weeks watching different videos. Anything that I saw that was interesting, I would stop TikTok and actually take some action and go over to the sites, sign in, get an account, and just play around with it for a few minutes. And I did that for quite a while. Okay, number 3, after you've spent your time on TikTok, you've played around with the platforms a little bit, now go over, take your learning, step it up a level, go over to Udemy, and just type in whatever AI platform you're really interested in. Which brings me to number 4. If you have a website with a blog, take this time to have one learning project where you're gonna use a combination of ChatGPT and Claude, the written and the text and the video AI platforms that you've learned to make a blog post, make the images, make a video. There is no better way to learn than to go ahead and just do it. I also will give ChatGPT input, like I want you to incorporate this idea or that idea, add this example, which helps keep Google happy in terms of making it unique, having expert input onto content online and that kind of thing. I will say that I had to do some heavy editing, and I'm not really sure I saved time, but I do think that my blog posts on the topics were more comprehensive than just my off the cuff, what I'm thinking of today, because it would trigger me to think, oh yeah, you're right, that's a factor, that's a factor. Oh yeah, wait, include this one also. Okay, number 5 is head over to Google News, or really wherever you get your news, but I like Google News for this because go to Google News, you can click on, there's a technology tab, and then within that, there's a subheading for artificial intelligence. Just read through the news of the day. Every once in a while, check back once a week or so, read anything that looks interesting to you as far as your industry. Just kind of check it out here and there. You don't have to stay perfectly on top of everything. But that has definitely helped me see new things coming along and better options for incorporating AI into my entire practice and my marketing. So check that out. Okay, now for my 3 bonus points. Number 6 is head over to Google and ask for any AI platforms that are specific to your industry. I've done this. So AI for lawyers. What are the best AI platforms for lawyers? My guess is that in your industry, there are specific platforms besides ChatGPT that target specific pain points in your industry. Okay, bonus number 7. This will require that you have a ChatGPT Plus account. So you already need to be a paid subscriber. And if you are, you probably already know that this is an option, but you may not have actually utilized it yet. I'm super hopeful and excited about it. But on ChatGPT, they have a new program called Custom GPTs, where you can go in and use plain English to have ChatGPT make a GPT that is specific to your industry or anything you're interested in. You can tell them, I want to make a GPT about contracting business, and give me some ideas. What type of GPT would be useful to a contractor? And then what do you need from me to make a GPT if you don't know? I've uploaded guides and things like that, because what it's supposed to do is add your expertise to what ChatGPT already has to offer. And then there's going to be a marketplace. I don't know how that's going to work, coming out at the beginning of 2024. And people can search and look in categories and that kind of thing, and possibly find you for help within your industry, and maybe, at that point, look you up. I have made a number of them for my practice. My husband also made a couple for his business. Actually, I helped him make them, but we made them and they're pretty cool. We'll see where they go, but I think they have promise. Final bonus number 8 is just, if you can't think, or I didn't help you figure out anything that AI might do to help in your industry, go over to ChatGPT and Claude.ai and ask them, what things can I do if AI is affecting blank industry, or how is AI affecting this industry, and how can I use AI to improve my productivity, my marketing, my whatever. So I hope all of that is helpful. I think you should give it a try. And all right, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.